is one of wrestling's biggest stars, but today he died in a car crash in Seminole. Randy Macho Man Savage got into a wreck along with his wife shortly before 9:30 this morning. Florida Highway.
Hey.
Hi.
How's he doing?
I miss you. He's doing pretty bad, actually. He's not doing that well. But, you know, I mean, he just needs a little time.
Yeah, of course.
But, thanks for stopping by.
Sure.
See, you brought him his favorite. I'm making some tea, if you'd like to come in.
Yeah, that'd be nice. So how are you holding up?
Me? All right.
I know he meant a lot to you. To both of you.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. But we'll get through it.
Oh, honey, come here. That's okay.
Why do bad things have to keep happening to ridiculously awesome people?
It's okay. Let it out.
I think tea's ready.
Do you feel a little better?
Yeah. How do you take it?
Savage, of course.